Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to withdraw from DSJ to PayPal using Ethereum on mobile. Withdrawing your money from DSJ to PayPal sounds simple, but this is actually one of the most sensitive and misunderstood processes in crypto. You're not just moving money, you're converting assets, choosing networks, and sending funds across platforms that don't always work the same way. One mistake here, wrong asset, unsupported transfer, or wrong address, and your funds could be stuck or lost. Also, here's something most people don't realize. Not all PayPal accounts support receiving crypto from external wallets. So before you even start, you need to make sure your PayPal crypto feature allows incoming transfers. Launch the PayPal app on your phone. Scroll sideways on the home screen until you find Crypto. Tap on it. This is where your crypto wallet inside PayPal exists. Next, tap Receive. From the list, select Ethereum. Then, copy the Ethereum wallet address shown. Make sure PayPal actually supports receiving ETH, since some regions only allow buying, selling. Now go to your DSJ exchange app, tap Assets. If you don't have Ethereum and your funds are in USDT, click Convert. Insert the amount, then click Exchange. Now, go back to Assets, then tap Withdraw. Then choose Ethereum as your currency. Paste the Ethereum address you copied from PayPal. Double check the address carefully. Next, input how much ETH you want to send. Click Confirm. What happens next? DSJ processes the withdrawal, then funds appear in your PayPal crypto balance. To summarize, withdrawing from DSJ to PayPal using Ethereum involves getting your ETH address from PayPal, converting your funds into ETH if needed, going to the withdrawal section in DSJ, pasting the address, entering the amount, and confirming the transaction. Accuracy and platform compatibility are critical. And that's how to withdraw from DSJ to PayPal using Ethereum. This process might look straightforward, but it requires careful attention at every step. Don't rush it, double check everything, and always confirm that both platforms support what you're trying to do. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.